everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessie and today I have a pantry organization video for you, and also this video is in collaboration with my good friend Denise. She is doing a fridge clean out on her channel and I am just so excited to do this collaboration. I absolutely love Denise. She does cleaning motivation videos, and also she does pregnancy videos, lifestyle videos, and she does foodie Fridays. So she has so much going on. She's just adorable and I love her family, and I would love it if you would go over there and check her out and tell her I said hi. I'm not doing anything crazy, groundbreaking, like interesting, Pinterest worthy in this pantry declutter. I'm just organizing everything and trying to get everything out so that I can see what I have and take everything out of the boxes, and some stuff is just randomly put in there. So I'm just trying to like recover after Christmas where everything just went kind of crazy and we shoved things places. I don't know. It was just a mess. The issue in my pantry is the big boxy like Sam's Club packs of things, and once I got rid of the boxes and broke them down, I had a lot more room and my pantry ended up making a lot more sense. I use those white Dollar Tree baskets to kind of corral like items, and also I use the Dollar Tree soda organizers to corral all my canned goods. So really, I had a system in place. It was just in the craziness that was December. Everything was so busy that things just kind of got shoved in there, honestly. I'm using some hot water, some vinegar, and some Mrs. Meyer's dish soap to give the baseboards and the floor a good scrub in there so it can have a fresh, clean slate. This is the area that I shove everything that I don't know what to do with, so I thought it was a good idea to kind of go through it and figure out what I needed and organize it a little bit better than piling it all on top of each other. Every time I would open the pantry door, I was afraid I was going to get hit in the head with some of that stuff, so I kind of wish I had done this a little bit sooner. I wanted to show you guys, this is my double egg container and it is amazing. It holds, I think, 2 dozen deviled eggs, and it's so compact and it fits in your refrigerator so nicely. I linked mine down in the description box below if you were interested. Of what my pantry needed was for me to unbox all this stuff, and once I did that, also it'll be easier for the kids to actually see it and grab it and eat it. I did not realize how many snacks that we had. I definitely don't need to pick some up in my next grocery shop. The house came with this over-the-door organizer, and I think it helps me tremendously keep everything organized, and I like having it right at my fingertips, the things that I use most often. have no idea why I have so many crackers. We don't even eat that many crackers. I don't understand why I have an entire basket full of crackers. It's insane. We're gonna be eating like a lot of buffalo dip, I think, because that is an insane amount of crackers. Good thing I like cheese too. We can do cheese and crackers. Perfect. Alright guys, here is the finished product. So starting from the top on the door, I have my cake stuff. I have more cake stuff and the pizza sauce for our pizzas. Some of packets, soups and sides. Some more packets and some dips and jello. Then here's our popcorn. I gotta go to the grocery store and get more popcorn. Hamburger helper and tuna pecks. Here is all my kind of extra baking stuff. The deviled egg container is amazing. I will link that in my Amazon if you're interested. My cupcake cake stand. Some of these big tins that I like to make my mac and cheese in, and some other sort of like trays and stuff. And here is where the real magic happens. All of this is tomato sauce. I don't need to buy any more tomato sauce or like spaghetti sauce, anything like that. I have my canned chicken back there for like our buffalo dips and such. There's some canned green beans. We don't eat many canned vegetables, but like Thanksgiving and stuff like that. And I have some taco shells. This is more sort of tomato and like random cans type things. And this is all soups. We really don't eat these much anymore. When I did Weight Watchers a while ago, I used to eat these all the time, but I don't really eat them anymore. My kids love chicken noodle soups. We actually have 2 of these. That's crazy. And some extra soups and some tomato soup. Next is our snack basket, which is overflowing, which means they either don't like the snacks or they're just not eating them as frequently as I thought. All my sort of stocks, my instant mashed potatoes. This is the only kind that I like. It's very good. You get it from Sam's Club in this big pack. We don't make it that often, but I really, really enjoy it. This is my pasta bin, my macaroni and cheese noodles, and some Kraft cheese because my kids like that on occasion. These are all my shake and bakes. I haven't used them in a while. I think I was worried during the holiday season that I'd run out of crackers for some reason, and we are good. Here is some of the pizza crust that my kids like to use sometimes. They're pretty good. Chicken stock, you can never have enough of that. Then we have some Red Lobster biscuits and some of my extra pitchers and the carafe for the Keurig. And then we have instant ramen noodles and some Premier protein drinks. I sometimes like to drink those in my coffee, and my husband sometimes likes to take them to work with him if he's gonna have a long day. So yeah, here is my finished pantry organization. Nothing crazy, but I'm so glad that it got done. Alright, and that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I make a Ray Done series on Sundays. Don't forget to go check out Denise's channel. I have linked her in the description box below and up in the cards, and also on this end screen. You can just click on her beautiful face and go subscribe.